Hello, welcome. One sec. Welcome to another video. Today we are recording some Roblox in the. Let's complete the new setup. Have LED lights, so I can light it up a bit more. That's my favorite color, but I can go like pink. Trying to change the color. There we go. Let's leave it as that for now. But yeah, it's cool. I can change the color whenever I want. I also have lights right here, lights right there, light right there. It's good. So, today we're gonna play Roblox, but I'm doing 2 videos today. So, one Minecraft, one Roblox. Okay, so I should probably tell this. I almost got banned this morning. I logged on and almost got banned. I'll show you what happened. So I had a group. Let's go. I left it immediately when I joined. I got 1,000 Robux, 1,600. And as you see, me and Will both got Robux. And he made the Kooky fan group. I'm going through all my groups. Okay. So let's go to Will. Actually, Will. If we go to him, he'll still be in the group, I think. I can't find him. Where'd he go? Let me just look him up. Gookie. I didn't mean to put that K. Oh, I forgot. Why did the K go to the end? Okay. Kooky William and players. There he is. You are friends. Yeah, I know. I just couldn't find him. Okay. So if we go to his groups, he should still be in it. The Winnie Big Club. I got a warning this morning that I made violations because of the name. It thought I was talking big, like a person is big. That's my cat. It's owned by no one. Because I left immediately and we only got one member. I don't know what happened to Will. Hopefully Will didn't get banned because he put in chat Winnie Big. So hopefully he's fine. Let's play a game though. Let's find a good game to play. What haven't I played? There are so many games. Let me find a game and we'll be back. I have decided what to play. Today we're gonna go back to like one of the most popular games of the time. Yeah, we're gonna play this. Let me be a prisoner. Oh yeah, this is my new character by the way, guys. We got an elf, my beautiful face, I am thick, and I got these magma hands, and these are with the new hot dog set. Oh, I accidentally. Oh, someone was killed. My goodness. Okay, so there are only how many? There's only like 4 places. I bet you, if there's only a few places, they always just stick around here for the people that were unfortunate and didn't join the game in time. I think I should be fine. I just immediately get out. Cool. Whoop. So season 4. Why are they doing seasons? This is okay. Let's go to the very end. I've escaped now. I am a criminal. New addition to the criminal. Actually, I'm gonna put you boys are gone. Okay. Okay, I fixed everything. A few things just happened though. I lost my face cam basically. I was gonna move it out of the way so you can see how much money I have. Should be able to just do this. There we go. I think you guys can see how much money I have. I have 10,000. I don't think that's that much, but it will. Let's go. Oops. Okay, I know exactly where I'm going first. Just speed this whole bit up. Whoop. Okay, here we are. This is my first stop. But let's hope no one robbed it recently, because then I can get some money. Money! Some sweet cash. Watch that money up there go up. I don't have any money. Oh my god. That's mad. I don't believe that he doesn't have money because he's Bandyman. So, okay, I know where I'm going. We're gonna go check the donut shop, but that gets robbed more. So, makes me think that, oh, okay. I really should just stand on the track, honestly. There we go. I got back on the road. Holy, did anyone see that glitching in my screen? I'm almost there. Sister just came in for a bit. Okay, I'm back. I didn't get arrested, luckily. So let's hope. Oh, someone was just coming out from here. Maybe they weren't coming over from here. Let's hope. Fingers crossed. Of course. Okay, of course. Makes me freaking. How did I park? I didn't even mean to do that. That's perfect. That was like perfect parking. I didn't even mean to. Okay, remember, stay on the road this time, or else I'll die. And immediately didn't stay on the road. Okay. Let's make my car look cooler. Someone's just getting out of it. There, exit garage. It's cool. Oh no. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go off over here and go into the villain base to get some things. Okay, let's take off our clothes. So now I have my penguin shirt on. Get guns and head immediately out. Oh, okay, 100,000? Holy, that's a lot. Let's just get the regular car then. Actually, no, let's just run out and get my normal car. Because I don't want to have to run back into the garage again. There it is. There's my beautiful car. Okay, off we go. I want to see if it was my computer. Oh, I almost entered the password. I want to see if it was my computer that always messed me up. But my when I drive the Tesla, it was freaking broken. So, where did it go? Oh, I hear sirens. Oh god. We should probably quickly go. Skirt out of here. Oh, there is a few more police now, so I'm not even gonna go for that. Oh, there's two. How close to the ground are they? Are they just fires? I thought they were an airdrop. So confused. There's a police right there. I'm gonna go around him. I think there's one coming after me, actually. There was. He is still coming after me. Okay. This is a car chase. I'm gonna have to go fast. 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 Stop! I don't have time to rob the bank right now. I'm just gonna have to keep going. Oh god, I've been stopped. I should go around the corner. No, I can't. We gotta do this. Okay, let's go see if I can get my Tesla. I don't exactly remember what it is, but I think I could find it. Should be down just from the jewelry store. Yep, down here. Let's see if it was just my computer glitching out, or no. Or they've just fixed the Tesla in general. Is it still broken? No, it doesn't seem to be. Cool, I got my Tesla. Because I did buy this. I'm gonna lock it. Okay. What's that music, dude? Okay, let's go to the garage to get it pimped out. In here. There we go, cool. It seems like they've made the garage better. Off we go to Narnia. You know, I know where we're gonna go. Okay, okay. That was a police. Okay. Okay. I literally just crashed into a police. That's gotta be good because he's got the $1 million car. And that's expensive. Okay, I think I'm in the clear. A train? Can I rob this? I think it's coming now. Okay. Okay. Let's stop moving. Okay, I have enough. To the volcano base. Okay, it's 35,000. I thought it was 10 million. Like I'm taking that. Just so I don't have to run back to make a Tesla. Where'd it go? There it is. The volcano base? Fine. Thank you. It wasn't letting me enter for a second. I'm like, okay, volcano base. Is that close to here? I hope it is. I'm running out of time. It's not letting me drive. I only have a 15-minute timer on my computer thing, and I can't upgrade it because I don't have any money. So if I run out of time, wait, isn't it just up here? Wait, I'll have time. I thought that was a police again for a second. I'm like, I can't be stolen. I can't. No, no, no. Okay, yeah, I'm enough time. Okay, that's where I'm gonna end it though. Cool. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm liking the new place. It's pretty awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a good video today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.